It's Kyle Wood here with Porto Penasco Living webcast number 10. We are so excited today. Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there. You know, I am. I have a 5-year-old daughter, Riley, and I have a 17-year-old stepdaughter, Bridget. We're all enjoying our Father's Day here. Steph, my wife, is going to be showing us how to make low-carb margaritas. And she's going to show us what ingredients that we need, and then she's going to give us a taste test. Hopefully I'll be able to taste it as well. I don't know. Anyways, no further ado, here's my wife Stephanie showing us how to make low-carb margaritas. Take it easy.
Hi. Okay, so I already have the ice, crushed ice, and I'm going to cut some limes.
I said it before you.
This is Riley.
I do 2 limes in each.
Steph is known for her all-natural margaritas. No margarita mix needed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Whoa.
they can get slippery.
So we have a whole lime in each
Yes,
with crushed ice.
with crushed ice.
Lime with crushed ice.
I have to roll my lime. It wasn't quite soft enough to squeeze all the way. Okay.
Mommy, you're just so...
Now, what kind of tequila are we using today, Steph?
This is some Hornitos Reposado. Didn't get out to the tequila factory, so we had to get some substitute. And I'm gonna do 1 ounce.
Stephanie did take bartending lessons, and she's still using a shot glass.
And then in the first one, I'm gonna use fresca.
And how many carbs is in fresca?
1.
1 carb. Okay.
And just top it off.
Mommy, don't...
And then in the other one, we're gonna use LaCroix.
So you can use any type of LaCroix then?
Yeah.
Lime. I think they
I would
also
say
have
lime
grapefruit.
and lemon, however you want your...
Lemon.
Mommy, why is this one look cool?
And I am gonna garnish these with another extra squeeze of lime. Make it a little pretty on top.
Ooh, those look yummy.
And we should be ready to go.
All right.
So
Let's taste test. Now, which one is that?
this is the one with fresca.
Fresca.
Very good, very refreshing.
Ah.
Take that one.
Yeah, that's
this
the
is
one.
with LaCroix.
Uh-huh. What's your honest opinion?
It tastes more like tequila with water. Definitely needs a little bit more lemon
Lime.
lime. Thank you.
Well, that's it. Thanks a lot. Have a great Father's Day. Bye-bye.
Bye.